Greetings, Daniel Presedo from the Photoshop team, and today we're talking about the Terror of Undermountain, an official contest with the Photoshop team and Dungeons and Dragons, your chance to potentially be a part of their fantasy realm. Imagine your name up there with Frazetta, Brom, Easley, Elmore, Presedo. Wait. Okay, so I can't enter the contest, but I can live vicariously through your entries. So if you're anything like me and you spend hours meticulously painting these metal figurines, planning out your adventures with brothers, sisters, and other people, playing Dungeons and Dragons for hours and days, I really look forward to seeing what you can come up with. So here is how to get started. Go to the contest website and download these unique assets provided to you by Photoshop team and Dungeons and Dragons. I've downloaded them here and placed them in my library. As you can see, there are a lot. Heads, tails, torsos, eyes, mouths, arms, legs. Bring them together, create something on your own. It's your choice, but try to be original. And if you've downloaded the latest Photoshop, you'll notice that the libraries now has a group menu, so you can actually organize them in their areas: torsos and tails, heads, eyes, mouths, arms, and legs. There is a lot here to inspire you, and you may be tempted to bring them together like this, piecing a monster with just these assets. Dig into them, but also be original. Remember, the Photoshop team and the makers of Dungeons and Dragons want to see what you can create. So go inspire us. This is your chance to show the world your talents. No pressure, but make sure you check the deadline, so just a little pressure. And if you need help, there will be more videos. I will go through my process of making a monster in multiple step-by-step videos just for you using Photoshop. These videos will be featured on the Photoshop team's YouTube channel, so check them out there. I look forward to your entries, and hey, it could be you that will be immortalized as the person that will create the next official Dungeons and Dragons monster for the Terror of Undermountain. Good luck, everyone.